Welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today kind of went for a little bit of a side twist. We were going to bleed the brakes, but we came into a little hurdle, we'll call it. And basically I guess I had misplaced my locking wheel nut key and I can't find it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it off if you've misplaced your key. Now don't go use this to steal people's wheels. This is only in the event that you lost your key or misplaced it and you need to get your tires off for whatever reason. Alright, so guys, set you up over here. I already have, in my car, I'm using, focus, you can see a 19mm socket. Now this is part of the trick, is you have to have a 12-point socket. You can't use a 6-point socket. And then you basically just beat it on, and I'll show you on another side. But just for this one, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So it's already on. My locking, where my locking bolt would be. You get a big old breaker bar and break it free. Now, if it feels like it's slipped off, it could have just slipped right around and maybe it didn't work. Okay, so in this case, it worked, no problem. Now I'm probably gonna have to fight to try and get this socket off, but the way you can do that, if it gets stuck, is put this in a vise, hold your socket, and then just get something to hit in the middle, and it should pop this guy out. Now you might have to hit it a couple smacks. I would use biggest surface of something that would fit just, so you want something that will fit just inside there, a big area, like something like you know, the size of my pinky, and then just hit it with a small mallet or something, or a hammer, and it should pop this out and you should be able to reuse it. Now, reuse it in the sense that if you do find your key, if you didn't find your key, you can replace it with something else. But you're probably going to need to use this socket one more time. I recommend getting a couple cheap sockets for this process. So I have another one right here that I've used before. So basically, yeah, I can go now, do the other side, and we can continue on. Gonna take our, in this case, 19mm. Basically, you want something that's small enough that's gonna grab onto that nice and tight. And then enough that you can't just sit it on and hit it off. You gotta physically get it on there with a hammer. I'm gonna have to go this way, I think. There we go. I think I got it. It's an old trick to do. Now if you take this to a shop, a lot of shops won't touch it because they don't want to do this. I don't know why, but I've taken it into a shop before and I don't know, they don't want it, they don't want to touch it. Alright, for the third one, just gonna hit it on a little bit. See if that will get it off. Now I'll hit it on a bit more. I think you got it, yeah. So I just hit it on a little bit this time. Not even as much as I did last time. Should be easier to get off. And it pretty much works every time, guys. So that pretty much works every time. So Yeah, it's pretty easy. This one I didn't drive on as far, so we could probably pop it off real quick here. See if we can get it off easier. This one should be a little bit easier to pop off. There we go. So yeah, just don't hit it on as deep as I did the first couple times, but that's how it should come out. And then you still got your socket. Now, I recommend using a cheap socket, maybe like a $2 socket or something, so if something does happen you need to cut it off, then or even if you have to throw it away after, you're not wasting a whole bunch of money. Just like a $2 or $3 socket. Get a couple of them so you can get these guys off. Simple, easy, and if this video helped you in any sort of way, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, leave a comment down below. Let me know about your experiences. Any other ways of getting these off, that'd be much appreciated. Now, that being said, I have bought the commercial type removers, lock nut removers, and they didn't work. None of them. I've never had any good luck with them. I found that way, it's cheap, really cheap, about $2, $3 a socket, and you can throw them away after, it doesn't matter. I found that's the cheapest and most reliable way to get them off every single time. So if this helped you out, guys, I'd really appreciate if you did. Leave a comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and please, this is not meant to be used to steal people's wheels. This is an educational video to help somebody that is probably in need to get these tires off, whether they're changing from summer to winter, winter to summer, or even just doing some maintenance. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, never stop learning.